Good morning, students. So today we shall discuss a new lesson for the ninth standard. So before that, I will ask some questions to you. Please answer to it. If the cost of the if the cost if the cost of one pen is equal to 5 rupees, the cost of the one pen equal to 5 rupees, then tell me the cost price of 2 pence. What is the cost of the 2 pence? 2 into 5, 10 rupees. Yes. And what is the cost price of 3 pence? 3 into 5, 15 rupees. Yes. Then same like that. What is the cost price of n pence? N into 5, 5n. So you heard that word 5n. What we call it as? What we call for it? 5n. It's an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Okay. So how many terms are there? One term. Yes, 5n. 5n algebraic expression. Okay. Little bit. I will ask if having a two terms. If it is having a two term, 5n plus 2. What we call it as? For two terms. It's a monomial 5n. It's a binomial. Next, it having a three terms. It having a three terms. What we call for that one? Trinomial. So, an expression which contains a one or more terms. What we call for that one? Yes, of course, it's a polynomial. An expression which contains one or more terms. So, students, today we shall discuss a new chapter, that is polynomial. So, as I told that one, an expression which contains one or more terms in which variable exponent must be a non-negative integer is called as polynomials. An example for the polynomial. See. 3x is an example for polynomial. Next, 3u square plus 2u plus 1. Okay, this is also an example for a polynomial. This is also an example for an expression which contains one or more terms in which variable exponent must be a non-negative integer is called as a polynomial, as we have told that one. So the example for this polynomial 3x, 3u square plus 2u plus 1. So the combinations means an expression which combines. We are using that. It combines an variable. It is combined with variable and constant. So another example, take that one. 3u square. It's a variable. 3 is a constant. And 2 is an exponent. 2 is an exponent. See, it's a combination of a variable, constant and exponent. Okay. As I told that a polynomial is a combination of a variable, constant and exponent. Okay. See this one. This is a polynomial. How many terms are there? There are three terms. 3u square, one term, 2u, second term, plus 1, third term. Okay. There are three terms are here. This polynomial in a u. It is in a variable. It have a variable u. The polynomial in u. Okay, means p of u. that as p of u. It's a polynomial in u. Okay, 3u square plus 2u plus 1. Like that. This is a polynomial in the variable x. F of x. The polynomial in the variable, polynomial in x. Then this is a polynomial of y. It is in the polynomial y, in the variable y. Okay, see 3y square first term, 3y square is first term, 2y square second term, 5y third term plus 1. Okay, so fourth term is having a fourth term. The polynomial is in the variable y. The polynomial is a variable x. The polynomial is in the variable u. Okay. It is having a 3 terms. It is having a 2 terms. It is having a 4 terms. Okay. So then you tell what is the coefficient of y square? Y square here. The coefficient of y square is 2. The coefficient of y square is 2. What is the coefficient of? The coefficient of y cube. The coefficient of y cube is 3. Okay. The coefficient of y. The coefficient of y is what it is? The coefficient of y is 5. Means the general form of polynomial is not a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus so on plus an x to the power n. There is a condition. An is not equal to 0. Then can you tell they are a0, a1, a2, a3, an as per the example I said that one. As per the example, a0, a1, a2, a3, an are the coefficients of x0, x square, x cube and x to the power n. Means a0, a1, a2, a3, so on up to an are the coefficients of x0 to the x to the power 0, x to the power 1, x square, x cube, so on up to the power xn respectively. Okay, means next see here a0 x to the power 0 means its value is 1. Any to the power 0 is its value is 1 plus a1 x to the power 1, a2 x to the power 2, so on an and x to the power n. See, these are the terms. These are the terms of the polynomial. These are the terms of the given polynomial. See, example for the polynomials. X cube, I am given. It is in the variable x cube plus 2x square plus 1x plus 2. Okay, this is in the variable x p of x. I will give another example. Y square plus 2y plus 1. Then this is in the variable y. then P of Z, Z plus 1. Okay. Then I will write a constant. Okay. See, you already know that one. What is the variable here? X is a variable. Here, Y is a variable according to the polynomial. Z is a variable. See the exponent of this x variable. Which is the highest exponent? 3. Which is the highest exponent here? 3. Okay. Here, when we take a y variable as a polynomial, 2 is the highest exponent. Okay, here 1 is the highest exponent. So, dear students, what we call for that highest exponent of the polynomial means the highest exponent of the polynomial of the variable is called as its degree. Is called as its degree. Can you tell the definition of the degree now? What is the degree here? The degree of the polynomial, the highest exponent of the given highest exponent of the given variable in a polynomial is called as its degree. See, can you tell the highest degree of the first polynomial P of x? Can you tell that one? Yes. What is the degree of the polynomial P of x? The degree of the polynomial. The degree of polynomial P of x is how much? Here the highest power is 3, therefore it is 3. Then what is the highest power of the degree of the polynomial P of y? 2. Therefore the degree of the polynomial P of y, the degree of polynomial P of y is how much? 2. Then what is the degree of the polynomial P of z? Yes, the degree of the polynomial, the degree of P of z is how much? 1. Then I will ask another one question. Okay. What is the degree of degree of 3? It's a constant. Yes, of course, student, 0, because x to the power 0 is nothing but 1. 3 into 1, 3. What is the degree here? 0, means highest power is 0. Therefore, what is the degree of the constant? The degree of the constant is 0. Another note the degree of the constant number is 0. Example, I given that already 3. The degree of that constant, it's a constant. Okay, what is the degree of the constant here? 0, means because x to the power 0 is there. X to the power 0 is nothing but 1. Therefore, the degree of the constant is 0. Okay, dear students, today we have discussed about what do you mean by polynomial and the general form of a polynomial and what is the coefficients and also variable and also exponents, and also we are learned about the degree. Tomorrow classes we learn about the degree we are going to classify the polynomials according to the degree. Okay, thank you.